Hey everyone, it is Josh here with HostGator. Today I'm going to show you how to get logged into your WHM or Web Host Manager and what to do once you're inside. As always, if you like the content that we're making, please feel free to subscribe on YouTube if you want to see more. You can also give the video a like and tell us in the comments below what you think and if you have any ideas for new videos. Starting out today, I'm on HostGator.com just taking a look at some of the VPS plans that we have. If you've already purchased a VPS or dedicated server plan, you're likely going to get an email that looks exactly like this with some purchase confirmation, but also a lot of good details about how to get your account set up. Starting out, we can see that we have my domain, which is hgmcgator.com. You'll see 3 letters inside of it. That's actually your host name for the VPS or dedicated server. The username here for your WHM and the password as well. You can also see your site's IP address, which is going to be the main IP address for your server. Down here is the really important part, which is going to be the WHM address along with the username and password. At the very bottom, you'll see your private name servers that need to be registered, and we'll tackle that in a different video. But for now, I want to show you how to get logged into your WHM. I'm going to take this URL for WHM address and put that in a new URL, new browser tab here. If you do see an advanced warning notice that the site is not secure, that's completely okay. That's just because there's not an SSL installed on that IP address. If you do see that warning on Chrome browser, you can go ahead and click Advanced and Proceed to, and that's completely okay. What we'll do is we'll take the username over here, which is root. Make sure that that's copied into the username section. Then what we'll do is take the password over here, and we'll paste that inside as well. It's always a good idea to keep your password updated and also as secure as possible. Now that you're logged into the WHM, the quickest way to get to anything in the entire server is through this search bar at the top. First thing I want to do is show you how to actually change that password if you think you'd like to change it to something different or something that's more secure. So what I'll do is just type in password as a quick search function. You can see we have the quick change root password function here. I'll click that. Takes us to the section. I can confirm the existing password and then set a new one if I'd like to. Anytime you want to get back to the main page for WHM, all you have to do is click the logo up here at the top. You're going to see a bunch of information in the main menu section that'll show you how to create a new account, add a new package, look up backup information, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So let's say I wanted to look up some account information. I can just type in account. Everything underneath here is going to show up under account information. So I can see all the accounts I have under list accounts, all the domains, subdomains, and suspended accounts that I have. Now the list accounts function is probably one of the most used features inside of WHM. I'll click on that and I'll show you a little bit more about it. List accounts is actually going to show you all of the cPanels that you have on your server. If you have a new VPS or dedicated server, you may not actually have one yet, so you can click the Create a New Account button and start the process to create your first one. You can fill out all the information here that you need to. We actually have a video of this already on YouTube, and I'll link it here in the comments as well. Again, clicking back on the WHM to get to the main menu. So let's say I want to find out some information about SSLs. All I do is type in SSL in this search function. Now I can see I can use Manage Auto SSL. I can use the Manage SSL host to see what SSL certificates I already have installed, and if I want to install a new one, I can use those options here. Now, let me show you one thing that I really love about WHM, and I'll actually go here to Manage Auto SSL for it. Let's say that you want to find out more information about Manage Auto SSL, but you really don't know where to turn. There's a button up here that's a little question mark on every single page inside of the WHM. If you click on this button, it's going to take you directly to cPanel's documentation for that specific function. So no matter what you're inside of the WHM, if you want more information, just click that little question mark. It'll take you right to the professional documentation that cPanel has set up. Heading back over here, I want to show you one more function, and we'll do the quick search just as well. I want to show you the Easy Apache option here inside of WHM. Now, all of your new servers, the VPS or dedicated servers, are going to come with Easy Apache 4. This is going to be the easiest way to install new PHP versions, new PHP modules, Apache modules, or to see what type of software is already installed on your server. It's really fast, and we'll have a video up about this specifically as well. But it really is that simple to just kind of navigate around the server and find out exactly what you need. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks, y'all.